If you're seeing Epic Games error code LS-0016, don't worry. This is usually a launcher or verification issue, and in this video I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. We're going to check the game files, clear the Epic Games cache, make sure the launcher is running properly, and also cover a couple of important extra checks that can stop this error from coming back. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Epic Games launcher and go to your library. Find the game that's giving you the LS-0016 error, then click the three dots next to it. From the menu, choose Manage, and then click Verify. This will check the game files for corruption or missing data, and it's one of the most effective fixes for this error. Now give it some time to finish completely before you do anything else. If the game you're trying to launch is a Ubisoft title, there's one more important thing to check. Make sure Ubisoft Connect is installed, fully updated, and that you're signed in properly. A lot of Epic games rely on Ubisoft Connect in the background, so if that client is outdated or not logged in, the game may fail to launch and throw the LS-0016 error. Next, completely close the Epic Games launcher. Don't just click the X in the corner. Go to the system tray at the bottom right of your screen, find the Epic Games icon, right-click it, and exit the launcher fully. This is important because sometimes the launcher stays running in the background and prevents changes from taking effect. After that, press Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Type %local app data % and press Enter. This will take you to your local app data folder. From there, open the Epic Games Launcher folder, then open Saved and look for the Webcache folder. Delete the Webcache folder. This clears out temporary data that can become corrupted and cause startup or login issues. Once that's done, restart the Epic Games Launcher. For the best results, right-click the launcher and choose Run as administrator. Running as admin can help avoid permission issues that sometimes trigger launch errors like LS-0016. If the game still won't open, make sure it isn't already running in the background. Open Task Manager and check for any active game process or Epic-related process that may be stuck. If you find one, end the task, then try launching the game again. In most cases, these steps will fix the problem. The key things are verifying the game files, clearing the webcache, making sure Ubisoft Connect is updated if needed, and reopening Epic Games Launcher with admin rights. If you followed along and got your game working again, drop a comment letting me know which step fixed it for you. And if you want more simple step-by-step guides for gaming and PC troubleshooting, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.